Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Python arrays. First of all, what is arrays? Arrays are used to store multiple values in one single variable. It can store multiple values in a single variable, but all should be same data type. Okay, same data type means data type means type of data. Okay, what is an array? Array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So it can store more than one value at a time. Okay, if you have a list of items, for example, if you have list of items like car names, bus, like anyone, like number of employees, those all values should be stored in a single value like this. That means car 1, car 2, car 3, those all values should be stored in one single variable. Okay, however, if you want to loop through the cars and find a specific one, and what if you had not 3 cars but 300? For example, if you had 3 cars, you can because there is only less number of cars, so you can access easily. But if you have 300, 400 like that, if you have n number of items, how you can access? The solution for that is array. Okay, array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to an index number. Okay, for example, if you take one village, in village there are many people. How we can find specific persons? By address. Okay, here index also address. Okay, for specific value there should be index number, like for specific person there should be address, right? Here for specific value there should be an index number. By using index number we can access any value from that number of values. Now let's see an example for this. Okay, open Python ideally. Open new file. Now write a code in cars example. Cars is equal to Toyota, Kia, these are the items in cars. Okay, now we need to print those. These are all the string data type. We have been storing all these three into cars. Okay, that means number of elements with same data type storing in a single variable. It is called a array. Okay, array.py. Py is the Python extension. Toyota, Kia, Bolero are printed. Okay, like this you need to use arrays. Now let's see some operations in array. One is access the elements of array. You refer to an array element by referring to the index number. We all know how to access array elements. By using index number we can access array elements. Okay, x equal to cars of. Now I've been accessing Kia. Then print of x. Let's run this. Kia is printed, right? Here I've been accessing cars of 1. 1 means Kia's index number. So print of x, that means Kia should be printed. Okay? This is the way you need to access any element. If I want to access Bolero, you need to use 2 here. If I want to access Toyota, you need to use 0 here. Array indexes must and should start with 0. Fine. Next, modify the value of first array item. If we want to change the array item values, how you can change? Let's see this. By using index value, how you can change the array values. Now I've been changing CASA 1, that means Kia to Nano. Let's print this. Sorry, print of cars here. Let's run this. So Toyota, Nano, Bolero are printed. Now what I have done is I have changed Kia to Nano. Those changes are appeared here. Okay. Now you need to see length of array. Use the len method to return the length of an array. By using len method, we can return the length of array. Okay. Let's see a program for this. By writing directly also, we can find len of cars. How many items I have given here? Toyota, Kia and Bolero. So 3 items. So length should be 3. Fine. Next, looping array elements. You can use the for in loop to loop through all the elements of array. By using for, you can loop also all the elements. Let's write a program for this. In cars print of x. That means here each and every item in car should loop one by one. Toyota, first Toyota for Toyota in cars print of Toyota, then Kia should be printed, then Bolero should be printed like this. Okay. Next, adding array elements. By using append method, you can add element to an array. Let's see how it works. By using append method, we can add array elements, right? Append dot cars of I've been adding Nano. Then print of cars. Run this. Sorry, I need to change the syntax. First I need to use cars, right? Cars dot append. Now run this. So now Toyota, Kia, Bolero and Nano is added. Right? Nano is added, right? Those Nano is should be added here in the list. Okay. By like this way, you need to append the elements to the given array. Next, removing array elements. Removing can be done in two ways. By using pop method, you can remove an element from the array. And by using remove also, you can remove an element from the array. By using pop, you have to use index value. By using remove, you have to use direct value. Cars dot pop of I've been deleting Kia by using pop. After running, what I have get is only Toyota Bolero are printed, no Kia because it is pop. Okay, now use remove. If you use remove, you need to use value. Remove Bolero. That means I need to remove Bolero from this cars. That means only Toyota Kia are printed, but no Bolero because it is removed from the list. Okay. Like this way, you need to perform a remove operation. These are all about array. Thank you.